Dr. Beasley's Leather Lock Pro Kit is a fade-resistant, stain-blocking ceramic coating system for top-coated leather surfaces. So how does it work? Let me walk you through it. Inside the kit, you will find a 1-ounce bottle of Leather Lock Pro, a 2-ounce bottle of leather coating prep, and a foam block applicator. Beyond that, you'll also need several clean, fresh microfiber towels. For the purposes of this video, we'll be applying the coating system to leather seats. But like we mentioned earlier, Leather Lock Pro works with any top-coated leather surface. Before applying, make sure your leather surfaces are clean and dry using Dr. Beasley's leather care products. Step 1. Thoroughly shake the leather coating prep and spray onto the surface, then wipe off with a clean microfiber towel. Repeat until all leather surfaces are prepped. This removes any excess residue and provides anchor points for bonding. Step 2. Take the Leather Lock Pro bottle and shake well. Prime the foam applicator with 8 to 10 drops. Step 3. Move the foam applicator across the surface vertically, then horizontally to get full, even coverage, as seen here. Use the edge of the applicator to make sure all stitching is treated. Step 4. Allow the coating to cure 20 to 30 minutes. After curing, wipe off with a fresh microfiber towel. Step 5. Move to the next leather surface in your vehicle and repeat the application until all leather surfaces are treated. When moving to a new surface, apply 3 to 4 more drops of Leather Lock Pro to the foam applicator. To keep your coating performing at a high level, clean and condition as needed with Dr. Beasley's Fine Leather Cleanser and Leather Cream. Your application is now complete. With the coating applied, your leather will resist UV fading, block stains, and repel contaminants.